So it is currently February 1st and I've been in my new space for almost a month now. And it's a disaster, honestly. I think I finally have stuff to organize how I think would be best. And I need a clean. I need a deep clean. So let's do a little bit of a monthly reset. For the to-do list, I need to do dishes. I need to do laundry. And I just need to tidy up the dining room, the living room, and there's some other bookish things I need to update, like my book reading spreadsheet. I want to check on my 26 and 2026 spread that I have in my journal, and just some other little reset things. So I think it's time that we crack open an Alani, eat a little snack, and get started on this reset. Now, there is so much to do that I don't even know where to start, so I think I'm just gonna go by room. So I'm gonna start with the kitchen, do the dishes, tidy up the counter, and then move to the dining room. The dining room wouldn't be so bad. I just need to move a bunch of stuff into the basement. And then I'll do the living room. Let's start with dishes. Finished the dishes. Now let's move on to cleaning up the counter. This is where I'm starting to really expose myself, so let's do that. This I want to film an unboxing for, or a haul. That area is now complete. I just have my tech stuff sitting right there, a little pile of it, because I need to figure out what I want to do with all that. Like, I have an iPad, my old laptop, my Beats. I need to find an area for that. I'm thinking once I get the table cleaned off, we'll do like a little craft area and a little work area and a little area for me to be able to eat at the table. So let's jump on over. I'm pointing that way because it's over there. Let's jump on over to the dining room table area. So this is what it's looking like right now. Most of these boxes just need to go down into the basement, and that's mainly what this is. I've just been too lazy to carry all this stuff downstairs, if I'm being honest. So let's do that. table. I haven't set it up yet for like my crafting and office area, but I have it clean. My camera battery is flashing, so I'm gonna charge that and I'll be back. I really hope you cannot hear my dryer right now. So next on the agenda, because I want to take a little break from cleaning, let's do my like bookish updates. There is my 26 and 2026.